Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to review the Mosquito by Self Balance. They're a bracelet and they come in a 12 pack and they're DEET free. And so yeah, let's dig into this. Now you can see, and again, I'm a one-armed bandit here. I've already ripped open the top, so let's see. Let's get in here. Can you see me? It actually, it's got a pretty pleasant smell, surprisingly. And it feels like leather or suede. I gotta smell it. It does have a pleasant smell. Not almost like I'm not sure. Let's look at this bag again. Well, let's look and see what we got first. Wow, they really do hook it up. So we got 2 of those and 3 of those. Okay, so we got 3 of each color, huh? Very cool. Very cool. So there's definitely enough for the whole family. And you know, you can put them around your arms, your leg, or your wrist, your ankles. They say car seats, you know, like a baby car seat. You can definitely put it on the handle of it. So improved formula, it lasts up to 24 hours or 240 hours. Wow, that is substantial. Adjustable size for both children and adults. No more sticky sprays, and DEET free. Go outdoor with no hassles. And on back we have the ingredients. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. The lavender, eucalyptus, citronella, and peppermint. That's why it smells good. Okay. So 10-day protection, and yeah, you know, they're really stylish, you know, and they have, it's so simple, it's beautiful, very adjustable, you know, and yeah, something so simple can make it so much more user-friendly. So this is self balance, and they've got some really great products. You can go back and see. I've checked out some of their pH balance meters, and they're really cool. Some of their test strips. So yeah, you know, right now I'm in Oregon and it's the middle of November, so not a whole bunch of mosquitoes around, but I am waiting until yeah, these will be good for that season. Alright guys, I'll put the info down below. Hope it helps. Later.